Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Now, students, before us is a math question, and I got this question from the 2018 Paper 1 Mathematics BJC examination. Notice that this question number 8A, is currently unsolved. But I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. But I have a question. For you. And my question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the instructions, and the instruction states the following. Answer all questions in the spaces provided. Show all necessary working. Question number 8A. It says the prime factors of a number are 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Express this in index form. Notice that this question is worth 2 marks. I'm going to give you an opportunity to try this question on your own. So pause the video, attempt this question on your own, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. All right, awesome. Now that you have attempted this question on your own, let us deal with it together. Notice that the question wants us to consider 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, and our goal is to express this in index form. Okay, so let us start first with this 2 and this 2. Okay, so notice that the power on this 2 is 1, all right, and the power on this 2 is 1. Okay, so thus we would have what? We would have, let me write it here, we have 2 raised to the power of 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. And that would equal 2 to the power of, we add the powers, all right? So it will be 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1, which equals 2 to the power of, 1 plus 1 is indeed 2. So thus the result is 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so that means that 2 times 2 equals 2 squared. All right. Next, we have another 2 here. Okay, and we're going to write that down. And notice that we have these 2 5s. Okay, so let's do the same thing we did. Okay, so we're going to say 5 to the power of 1. Okay, so we have 5 raised to the power of 1, okay, times 5 raised to the power of 1. We add the exponents. Notice that they have the same base, so we add the exponents. So it's going to be 5, it's going to be 5. Let's use red. It's going to be 5 to the power of 1 plus 1, and we know that 1 plus 1 is indeed 2. So we have 5 squared. Okay, so we're going to take 5 squared and write it here. So it's going to be 5 squared. Okay, so thus we have that 5 times 5 is 5 squared. Okay, we are almost done. We are almost done. We are almost done. We have to deal with the 2's now. Notice that we have here 2 squared and 2. All right, so we have 2 to the power of 2, right, times 2 to the power of 1. We are going to add the powers. All right, so thus we have 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. And indeed, 2 plus 1 is 3. So therefore, we have 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed. So you're going to take the 2 cubed and we're going to write it here. So we have 2 cubed, and we're going to take the 5 squared and bring it down. So we have 5 squared. Do not forget the equal signs. So thus, the answer to this question is 2 cubed times 5 squared. Awesome.